Hi, I'm Lori. I'm a 3D modeler and sculptor. I work at Shapeways as a customer service agent, and I'm really excited to share what I know. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create escape holes for organic objects.
So an escape hole is something that you can put into your 3D models. It's not absolutely necessary. Without an escape hole, this model would be completely solid, and so it would use more material and it would be more expensive to print.
There is software out there that can help you do this automatically, but in case you don't have this or something goes wrong, it helps to know how to do this manually as a workaround. I chose to have the escape hole on the bottom here, so it doesn't really interfere with the integrity of the design.
On a different sculpture, I might decide where that hole should go. Sometimes it can be the entire bottom side can be open. Other times I can use the actual structure of the model itself for the hole. So for example, it's in the dinosaur's mouth.
Note that I am working while I have my smoothing modifier on. I have the smoothing modifier on because I want to work in low poly count. So this way it's easier for editing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this in a new layer, and I want to make that inner skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the points based on where the normals face. So if I bring it in, see how it moves like that? You might be tempted to just resize it, but notice what happens. Yeah, that's not what we want exactly. So I'm going back, I'm moving the points based on the normals, and let's look at what happens. Areas where there's a lot of detail, a lot of geometry, they're intersecting. This is going to read as holes for the printers. We'll take a closer look here. So the way I'm going to handle this is I'm going to really just chop this off and close that up. And for here, I'm going to delete some of this. And I want to really just reshape and suggest this form using less polygons. So I went ahead and I did that here, chopped off the tail, and this way the legs, the feet, the tail will be much stronger by being solid. Now here I'm going to flip the normals so they're facing inward, and here I have my original, the outer layer, and the interior is in there. And all I'm going to do is grab these edges. I lower them just so you can see them clearly. And I'm going to extend it outwards. Create an edge loop. And I'll want to merge these points together so I have one solid object. You'll see I did this here. Tweaked it a bit. And there we go. I have my escape hole. And I confirmed that these walls are 3 millimeters thick, and this should be 25 millimeters wide to meet the guidelines for full color sandstone.
If you don't make the hole big enough, all the material might not be able to come out, and then it can become a big mess when they apply maybe the glue or different dyes for different materials.
Now I'm all set to just double check my mesh is watertight and then bring this into NetFab to confirm my measurements. If you have any questions or just want to share, feel free to email us at service@shapeways.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you make.